Thank you for joining StockMarketFunding.com. It just so happened to be 11:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we're trading Apple here. Yes, we are short Apple up here. One of the things that we would like to point out on the intraday level in the MMT Market Maker platform, Apple was a short up here yesterday. We got put options for the new event. They came down, then at the bottom we got out, and the calls we got up here. During their presentation that they're doing right now, we rallied up off of this low of 621. That was the first intraday low. We came right back up to 632. And right now, the bid and ask in Apple, it's running so fast, I will show people right here what it is. Outside of this chart, it's 619. We were just down at 617. When this thing ran up at the bottom, they took the put option down here. $28 is the high. The first high was 25. They brought them slightly below the close. When the announcement came out, they ran the Google all the way up, and we transacted these put options. And they're making monumental money. One of the things that we told people was that Apple computer, that we would take a look at a contrarian view, that all the other launches that they have done, they have ran this thing to the moon, they have jacked it higher, and that trade would not work, and that the sell down would happen right here, and getting short Apple was the right thing to do on this move. And each one of these lines that's on this chart, right here in our platform, everything we do is mathematically coded. And it's mathematically correct. Each line's $1.54 per line. And we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teenies, 6 teenies, 7 teenies, 8 teenies, 9 teenies, 10 teenies, 11 teenies down, and we're still selling down right here on this chart, on this Apple short. And it was about taking the majority of the crowd would come in. We're down 3/4 of a delta right here, which equals 10.86 teenies, which is minus $16.58 in this market maker platform. These lines, these diamonds, the short, everything that we do here does not lag. It's not standard technical analysis. It's directional price movement. We're ringing the cash register. We got a bottom in here again. But look at here, everyone. The IR is 8, and we almost hit 3/4 of a delta. And we're starting to come up, so we'll cover half of it, and we'll stay in, and we'll buy some calls off of the bottom if given the opportunity here. That's the Apple update. You can see how the stock sold down from the highs up here. It rallied up toward the close of yesterday at 634. The intraday high is 633.90. That's where we were getting in on the short. You've had 472 frickin' lows, and that was taking the other side of the iPad launch.